Hey, what's up, happy beautypreneurs? Hope you all are doing well. I just want to create this quick video because we've seen a lot of people posting in the forums and all over the world about Google reviews missing, saying their counts are wrong, actual reviews are going missing. Doing some research and reading through some threads that we are part of, as a kind of a local SEO experts, seeing a lot of people also complain about this over the last few days and kind of saying, hey, what's going on? Where actual reviews are gone? What can I do to resolve this? So this has actually been, and this is directly on the Google forum, it's actually a well-known problem that's happening. It looks like it's just a glitch and Google is working to fix it. So at this point, I would actually recommend, and this video is going to be short and sweet because this is a recommendation, I'd actually recommend just holding on and waiting to see what happens with Google, because from what we've read and seen across the kind of the web here, read it from Google Business themselves saying, hey, this is a glitch. Also, not only is it a glitch, but if you actually go count the reviews, it's going to be inaccurate. So for instance, here's one of our clients. It says they had 27 reviews. We went through and actually counted it, and she had 33. So the actual number is wrong, but the number of reviews, if you actually count them, it's still accurate. They're still there. So all these people are saying the same thing. All the experts are saying the same thing. So as hard as it is, as difficult as it is, because I know how hard you work for those reviews, just hang on and wait on Google to fix this. Seems like a problem that they had with their algorithm on accident. Sounds like they're going to resolve it on their own. No need to kind of reach out to Google to try to get those back in place, because I'm sure they are receiving hundreds and millions of questions and queries at this point. So just hang on. Those reviews will come back. I'm almost certain that they will, based on all the reading and research that we've done on our end. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Grant@happytans.com. Thanks so much. Take care and happy tanning.